Hey Pisces sign, hope you're well. So this is going to be a love reading and career reading from today till 31st of March. So we'll tap into your energy and see what is the message in love. Hey universe, what is the love message for Pisces sign? What is the message? What is the love message for Pisces sign in love? What is the message for Pisces sign from today till 31st of March? What is the message? What is the love message for Pisces sign from today till 31st of March? So the message is Six of Cups, the Tower card, Seven of Cups, Eight of Swords, the Emperor, and the Sun card. So Pisces, you may be dealing with multiple options, or you may be having multiple options in love. Okay, I'm seeing that you may be dealing with your past relationship as well. I mean the breakup and some problem maybe in love life. It could be a family related problem. Okay, you may be dealing with your past issues. Okay, but it's coming to an end. Whatever you had a problem in your love life, maybe the person left you out of in cold. Okay, so and but you have plenty of options now. You have good options in your love. There may be some person in your life who actually offering a new love to you, and that person is love to share about their childhood and talk a lot of things about their childhood, how they spend their time, and how what they all did in their past when they were um, you know before. So I'm seeing that for some Pisces they have multiple options in their love life. For some of the Pisces, I'm seeing that you are dealing with breakup, separation, and it's coming to an end. And I'm realizing that you have someone who is actually want to offer a new love. Okay, and that person is interested to share everything with you. All right. Okay, and Eight of Swords means that whatever you had a problem before, you already dealt with it. Okay, you are not going to you're not going to be in that sad or depression mode anymore. Okay, now you are sitting in your throne and you are just waiting for the right moment, right love. There is a Sun card in your love where I'm seeing that you are getting a success in your love life. Okay, your whatever problem you had before, the only thing that I'm seeing Pisces here is that you are dealing with some issues in your maybe love life, maybe a family, your own family. Okay, or maybe you're going through a separation, but it's not or it's getting over now, and you're coming out of everything and you are going to settle, okay, in your love life. Let me see a few more cards. What is the love message for Pisces sign from today till 31st of March? What is the message for Pisces sign from today till 31st of March? What is the message for Pisces sign from today till 31st of March? What is the message for Pisces sign? What is the message for Pisces sign from today till 31st message? What is the love message for Pisces sign? The love message for Pisces sign is the Judgment card and Seven of Swords. So as I said, you're getting judgment, you're getting awakened now. Okay, the universe is coming and asking you to awake and start a new beginning. Okay, so you already dealt with it as I said before, and you're getting a judgment, you're getting awakened to a new life. Okay, so maybe you there is someone actually in your family, maybe or maybe you are the Seven of Swords is saying that you may be cheating with someone, or maybe someone is cheating with you, okay, and looks like they are upfrontly telling you lie everything, okay. So that's a vibe I'm getting here. Someone is not not in a good terms with you in relationship. All right, so that's a love message for you, Pisces. We'll see the career message. What is the career message for Pisces sign? What is the career message for Pisces sign from today till 31st? What is the career message? What is the career message for Pisces sign from today till 31st March? What is the career message for Pisces sign? The career message is Six of Swords, Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords, the Empress, Page of Cups. So Pisces, I'm saying that the new offer is coming in your career. Okay, you may be getting a new offer, new opportunity. Maybe you starting something new. Maybe you starting a YouTube channel or something new. Okay, in your career. All right, you have money, you have everything in your life. You're not just sitting and relaxing in your work life, in your career. Okay, some of the Pisces may be traveling for a work, and they are not happy about it. Okay, you may be traveling somewhere, distance for work related. Okay, or some I mean, you're traveling basically, it shows. Also, I'm saying that you are now ready for accepting the challenges, and you're not just sitting and thinking about how to make your future. Okay, what start something new. Okay, maybe you are creative and you want to start something new. Okay, you're just sitting with your throne, money and everything. You are thinking about starting something new, business or new job or something new related to work. Okay, let me see a few more cards in career. What is the career message for Pisces? Please universe, provide me some more card. What is the career message for Pisces sign? Eight of Cups and Knight, King of Pentacles. So Pisces, I'm saying that you may be, some Pisces signs may be confused and not happy with the work they are doing. Okay, they may be not getting the offer. They are trying, and they are thinking of, I can't get the job anymore, and they are not trying it anymore. Okay, so Pisces, I would suggest you try the job. You try, and you keep trying, and you will get the job. Okay, very soon. But don't get disappointed, and don't close off your emotions just because you're not getting it right now. Okay, also I'm saying King of Pentacles, where you have everything, business, good work, good money, good career, everything good. Okay, so that's a message in career for you, Pisces sign. We'll see the general message for you. What is the general message for Pisces sign? What is the general message? What is the general message for Pisces sign? What is the general message? Please provide, universe, please provide a general message for Pisces sign from today till 31st March. Please provide a general message. Please provide a general message for Pisces sign. Please provide a general message for Pisces sign. The general message is silence, morality, and the success. So, as I mentioned before, that there is a success card. So, you are going to get a success. You should try for it and do not disappoint. Okay, So there is a silence card where spirit is asking you to be in meditative mode. You do meditation and think from intuitive mind what is going to good for you. Okay, and you are just silent and thinking. Think from the intuition. Okay, whatever intuition you get. Okay, morality, you have compacted yourself thinking that nothing is going to change and you are very depressed about it. Okay, so but you are going to get a success whatever you are doing. Okay, you should try for a job if you are not getting, and you should try and until you get success, and you are going to get a success definitely. All right, so that's a message. Let me see what oracle card have for you. What is the guidance for Pisces sign? What is the message for Pisces sign from today till 31st? What is the message for Pisces sign? What is the message for Pisces sign? What is the message for Pisces sign? Oh, spirit, angel, universe, spirit, higher spirit, please provide one card for Pisces sign. What is the guidance you have for Pisces sign for upcoming days? So the guidance is door to romance. Can you see that? So it seems like it's a romance card. Okay, so it says that if you are looking for a new relationship or just more love in the relationship, this door with a heart opens onto a new beginning in your experience. So new love may be arriving to you and you are bringing brought together, okay, by a strong resonant connection. This may be a call from a past life, or it may be a new tenderness about to bloom. Okay, this relationship already existing energetic potential. So when this card appears in your spread, make sure you're projecting the kind of self-loving energy that you want to receive from others. Be aware that the universe returns your self-caring treatment to you. It's ready to open that door. Okay, so are you ready to open that door, Pisces? So be ready to open that door. All right. Spirit is saying that new beginning in love is going to start. Be ready and keep your door open and in heart. Okay, so that's a message in love, Pisces. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.